Not only for food, dining room is the best place to share stories with family. Find everything you need for a functional, comfortable, and stylish dining room, whether eating with family or hosting guests. 1. A dining room for designers. This modern dining room might look modest, but it's far from being just black and white. Read in between the lines, you'll find design icons that are comfortable to spend hours around the table. 2. An open dining area to sip and sew away. A dining area doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to work for you and your needs. But if you're expecting company, just lift up a tabletop. There's plenty of room for more. 3. Create your unique dining room look. Eat, work, and entertain in a dining area that is both stylish and environmentally conscious. Neil-Sov rattan chairs are unique in every way, each weaved individually and with natural colors that transform with time. 4. A more is more dining room is doable even on a budget. Here's how to achieve a vivid, personalized, and spacious dining area, even if the square meters are few. An extendable table lets you have more floor space when you want, and more seats for guests when it's time to socialize. 5. A bright dining room where big dreams are shared. The dining table is the natural gathering place for a family. It's where you talk, eat, and share your goals and dreams. And by choosing a strong and stable table, like Nordviken, you'll know that this place will last for many years. 6. A dining room where traditional looks meet modern comfort. Make the most out of your dining room, whether if you're going to be many by the table or if you're enjoying the room on your own. Nordviken table is extendable, and Nordviken chairs are comfortable to sit on for hours. 7. Earthy shades and a sustainability-focused dining space. A dining room that reflects your personal style, combined with storage that's close at hand, will probably make you want to sit and socialize here for hours. 8. The modestly modern dining room. Clean lines and leather make this a modern dining room solution for those who love to socialize. See how you can pair stylish and durable furniture together for all-day entertainment. 9. Modern dining space for first-time flatmates. When it comes to shared dining spaces, keep an open mind. Open storage shelves, rollable trolleys, and lightweight furniture make it easy to grab what you need, clean up, and bring the party wherever it happens. 10. An open-plan dining room for 2, 4, and 6. Center your dinner parties around an extendable table that has plenty of room for a couple or a crowd. And if you have last-minute guests, unstack a chair and let them have a seat. 11. A mood-boosting dining room. Oatmeal breakfasts, exam studies in the evenings, or late-night get-togethers with friends, whatever the occasion, this dining room is guaranteed to put a smile on your face. 12. Freestanding storage in a flower-powered dining area. Solid birchwood surfaces, open shelves, rollable trolleys, and bright pops of color come together to create an eating area that flourishes with functionality.